in this video, we're going to be talking about how to set up Amazon Prime account 2026. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So in order to go ahead and get Prime, you need a standard Amazon account first. Now, in order to go ahead and get one, you want to simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using. And once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and search for Amazon. Just like that. Once you've done that, tap on the first link, which should go ahead and take you to the application if you have it, or if you don't, you can simply go ahead and head into the website itself. Now you're going to be taken into this page where you want to simply go ahead and click on create account. Finally, here, all you need to do is simply go ahead and enter your mobile number or email that you want to create your account with. Click on continue, and they're going to send you a verification code to that mobile number or email. Simply enter that back, and they will let you create a password, and your account should be ready. So once you've done that, then you want to simply go ahead and log in into your account. When you simply go ahead and log in into your account, what happens is you'll be taken to this page right over here. So let me just go ahead and wait for it. Now click on account on the top, and then you want to scroll all the way down until you find subscribe and save, or you could also go ahead and look for manage Prime membership. Which should be down around here. If you don't find it, you can simply go ahead and head back and then head to the profile tab and then head to the accounts tab. Now you can simply go ahead and click on it and then click on shop the subscribe and save, or you could also go ahead and click directly on memberships and subscriptions, and then simply go ahead and click on it one more time. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.